Hello, Conceptual Algebra 2 students. This is your weekly update for the week of September 28th to October 2nd. The learning topics for this week are, on Monday, we're doing a practice quiz on three-step equations. Hopefully you've got your three-step equation homework done from last week. You should also have your first quiz taken. That should be taken by now. Tuesday, we're doing the quiz on three-step equations, which will be just like the practice quiz. And then Thursday, we're working on a practice test for solving equations. And then by Friday, you should be taking your first test on the first unit. The latest you should really be taking that would probably be Sunday night of the weekend, and then the next week we'll be starting a new unit. Okay. A lot of you are fully up to date, but some of you haven't done anything yet. So it's probably time to get moving. You don't want to fall a full unit behind. It'll be really hard to catch up. Trying to move my picture down. It's not working. There we go. All right, so here's the schedule for the week. Monday will be an optional sync class meeting. Come if you want some help, or if you have questions, I'd be happy to help you. But otherwise, if you're doing well and just moving right along, well, I just erased myself. That's pretty funny. There we go. Otherwise, you should be taking your practice quiz for three-step equations. And then Tuesday's your quiz on three-step equations. Wednesday, catch up or get ahead day. I'd probably, if I were you, would probably start the practice test that day. So you have Wednesday and Thursday to work on it. Thursday morning, we'll have a mandatory sync meet, so everybody should be there. We'll just make sure everybody's ready for the test. And if anybody has any questions, we'll go over a couple examples, etc. Some of you have not seen yet at a meeting, so it's time to show up for one. Remember, all your Unit 1 assignments are due October 4th, okay? Which is the following Monday, okay? And for homework tips, remember, each assignment starts with the video. Watch it, redo the questions as many times as necessary before the due date for full credit. If you're stuck, remember, watch the video attached to each question. Read over the note resource, or you could email me. So I look forward to seeing everybody on Thursday, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.